Hello, welcome to this quick video to show you how to print your photos, your images, your PDFs, and include the file name at the top or the bottom of the image when you print it. So you can't do this in Picture Viewer, you can't do this in Photo Manager, you can't do this in pretty much all the default photo viewers that are installed with Windows. You want to get this fancy program. It's called irfanview. So it's a Microsoft tool for opening images, audio, and all sorts. So you visit the site irfanview.com, go to Downloads, click on Download, and then you'll download the package. So I've already got that one. It's in Downloads. It's called iView 450 Setup. So you want to run that one. Just go through, install that quickly. I'm just going to associate it with all images so it picks it up. Click Next. Click Next, install that. Want to change the associations? Yeah, I'm sure. You click No if you prefer not to, if you've got your preferred image viewer. And that's it, it's done. So you can start your irfanview. Alright, so I've got a bunch of pictures that I want to print with a file name. Here they are. So I'm going to open it, right click it, and open with irfanview 32. Here we go. So what we're going to do is go to File, go to Print, and under here you want to tick headnote or footnote, whether you want the file name on the top or the bottom. So headnote, I want on the top. You want to put in here $F. And just to show you that it works, we'll hit print, just print to a PDF here. And I'll save it to my desktop. And we'll find that one. And there you go, double thumbs Fonzie. So say if you wanted to print more than one image, so a collection of images, as many as you like, you open up your irfanview, you go File, Thumbnails, and then you browse to the location where your pictures are. So for me, Happy Days, and then I go File. I would select all first. You can select them just by holding Control and ticking the ones you want. I'm going to select all and go File. Print selected files as single images, and make sure you got this setting set, and then click Print. If you wanted to print PDFs or any other sort of files, make sure you go to the irfanview site, click on Plugins, and then click on Download the irfanview plugins here, recommend. That will allow you to do the same thing for PDFs and other files. Yeah, hope that helped. Alright, bye.